Hi, thanks for coming on to Zuni. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how a teacher can import their students. Super easy. So in order to add students into your classroom, you need to click on My Classes. The very first thing we want to do is generate and create a class. So this green button on the right side, we can just simply add a class. Notice these are classes that I already have. The green button means that that's a class I created, and I can remove it, edit it, send a code. I can also, these are classes that don't have a green button. That means that that's a class I'm a member of. We have some new features coming into My Classes, but for right now, let's focus on how we can create a class and add students. So here I'm going to go and I'm going to gather a picture. We'll simply go and pull any picture off my computer. So I can come into my pictures folder and grab a picture, and maybe I'll put a little giraffe in today. I can name it. So this is going to be math first period. I can add a description, 2017-18 school year, and save. Once the class is saved, it's going to give me an option to add students. So would you like to add students now? Simply say yes. The easiest way to import multiple students at a time is to click on Import Users. You're going to download our easy-to-use template, which I've already downloaded, and it looks like this. You're going to put their first name, last name, username, password, their grade, and an email. It's not required, but if they have an email address, it's good to go ahead and include it. So the template is easy. You can simply go and put each student in, just as I've demonstrated here, and create all of your students right here. You may be able to export a file like this from your student database at your school, but if not, it won't take you but just a few minutes to type this information in. Once it's in, just save your file. The key to this is that it has to be saved as a CSV file. So when I click File, Save As, and when you use our template, it will come up as one, but just to double check, CSV. So if I click on my drop down, there's the normal Excel, but we want the comma delimited CSV file. Not any of these, just a comma delimited file right here. We click on it, and then we just click Save. So that's all you have to do to create the import file. Once you've created it, you'll click this little green icon to go and find the file. And once you find the file, wherever you may have it, you'll just select the file, click Open, and then you'll import. That's all there is to it. As long as you use our template and you follow this format, there'll be no problems. And then, poof, your students will all be in. So I can just click Save, and I'll be able to go see my students or existing users. This is where you'll see the students that you've created. So existing users is just me because I didn't import any students. But that's the easiest way to do it. If you just had one student you wanted to put in, you could simply use manually add a user. That's as well. Once your students are in, if you have another class you want to add them to, you can just send them a code once their username and password has already been created. Or if your district has them in the system, that's when you would use the search user feature. So super easy. Have fun getting started because once you've created your classes, you're good to go. Thanks for using Zuni, and enjoy collaborating and creating and working together.